the globe. This is the story of Palestine and Israel, two territories inextricably intertwined by historical, political, and religious threads. The Middle East, a region rich in history and culture, is home to both Palestine and Israel. Palestine, a state that represents the Palestinian Arab people, had its origins during the Ottoman Empire, later falling under the rule of the British government. However, the partition of Palestine in 1947 sparked protests from the Palestinian Arabs against the creation of Israel. Israel, on the other hand, represents the Jewish national homeland. It was established in 1948, following the end of British rule. However, the birth of this nation was not met with universal acceptance, particularly from the Arab countries. This brewing tension culminated in the 1948 Arab